Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on calls, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to show frequently called contacts. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here show frequently called contacts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.